During an evaluation of a new diagnostic imaging modality for detecting salivary gland tumor, 90 patients tested positive out of 100 patients who tested positive with the gold standard test. A total of 80 individuals tested negative with the new test out of the 100 individuals tested negative with the gold standard test. What is the positive likelihood ratio for this test? So you should only know the formula for positive likelihood ratio. I'll tell you it is true positive rate upon false positive rate. It is true positive upon false positive, and your answer will be right here. What is the positive likelihood ratio? So I told you positive likelihood ratio is true positive upon false positive. So sensitivity upon 1 minus specificity. Positive likelihood ratio is the probability of person with a disease testing positive divided by a probability of person without a disease testing positive. In terms of sensitivity and specificity, it is expressed that sensitivity upon 1 minus specificity. Sensitivity is 90 upon 100 and specificity is 80 upon 100. So 1 minus specificity is 20 upon 100. Hence, positive ratio is this, is equal to 90 upon 20. Do not confuse positive ratio with positive predictive value. Here is your thing that you should know. Your specificity should be clear to you, and your negative and your sensitivity should be clear to you. Specificity and sensitivity. Sensitivity is 90 upon 100 and specificity is 80 upon 100. So 1 minus specificity would be 20 upon 100. So 90 upon 100 upon 20 upon 100 is 90 by 20. It is as simple as that.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.